Everyone knows you can make amazing logos using AI image generators. But there are a few key things you really need to understand if you want your logos to look professional. Logos say a lot about your business. It's your brand identity, and you want to make sure it sends the right message to your customers or your target audience. That's why you need to put a lot of thought into it. In this video, I want to share 9 things you need to keep in mind when you're making your logo with AI. If you remember these things, you'll be able to create professional-looking logos easily that actually work for your brand and help you attract the kind of clients and recognition you deserved. Make sure you watch till the end for the most important one. All right, let's get started with the foundational tip. Know your logo type. A lot of people, when they're making logos, don't even think about this. They just type a simple prompt into an AI tool like ChatGPT or Leonardo AI and expect a perfect image to appear. But if you want to create something professional that truly fits your brand, you need to know the different types of logos because each one sends a different message. You've got emblems, word marks, pictorial marks, mascots, letter marks, abstract logos, and even 3D logos. Each of these styles communicates something unique. For example, if you have a tech brand, you might go for a letter form logo because it's simple, clean, and works great for tech brands. If you're in the creative niche like music or art, you might want something abstract like the Spotify logo. And if you want to create something fun or character-based, a mascot logo might be the best option. Personally, I love mascot logos because they really help brands stand out. So take your time to understand which type fits your business best. That's going to make a huge difference. Now, let's talk about colors. Colors matter a lot more than most people think. Our brains interpret colors differently, and they can reflect your culture, your mood, and even your message. For example, red often creates a sense of urgency or excitement. Green feels fresh and natural, and blue gives off a cool, calm, trustworthy vibe. So make sure you're intentional with your color choices. Right now, most AI tools don't allow you to use specific color codes, but you can still use color names. Instead of saying just red or purple, use names like lavender, maroon, emerald, or sky blue, something that's close to your brand colors. Also, keep the number of colors to between 2 and 4. Doing this makes it a lot easier when you're editing later. Now let's talk about fonts. Yes, fonts matter just as much as colors. If your business is about fun, excitement, or children, go for a bubbly or cloud-style font. If it's about health, vegetables, or something fresh, use something bold, clean, and simple. If your brand is bold and masculine, use a strong, tall font. And if it's feminine, go with an elegant script font. Take a few minutes to browse through font styles and see which one fits your brand best. Because even though AI gives you a general design, when you tell it what type of font you want, you'll get a result that's much closer to your vision. Now let's move to the next one, which is make it transparent. Even though your logo might look great on a background, you'll need a version with a transparent background so you can use it anywhere, on your website, your products, your marketing materials, without that annoying box behind it. While there are many AI tools that offer background remover, the easiest way I have found to do this is with Canva. Just go to canva.com. Create your design size, upload your logo, at the top, click Remove Background. You can also find the BG Remover tool by clicking on Edit. That's it. Once the background is gone, you can download it as a PNG. Next, make it scalable. If you're creating a logo for your business, you'll definitely want to use it in different sizes. One of the biggest issues with AI logos is that they're not scalable because of the PNG file format. When you try to resize them, they lose quality. But you can fix that using Canva's Vectorizer tool. After uploading your logo, go to Edit, then Apps, select Vectorizer, choose black and white or color option. You can leave every other setting as is, then click Start Tracer. After a few seconds, you'll get your SVG logo. You will see the Add to Design option. Click on it, and you have to put it on another page because it gives you a completely different image. Now you can scale it as much as you want. Also, let me show you. When I click on the details, you can see that this first image here is a JPEG, but the second one that we created using the Vectorizer is an SVG. So once I drag the file as much as I want, you see that it does not pixelate. When you are done, all you have to do is click on Share, then Download, change the type to SVG. You can select the transparent to make the background clear, and then you can download the page that has your logo. That's how you can turn your AI logo into a scalable SVG. If you want to know more about this topic and other options that you have, you can check my earlier videos, which I will link in the description below. Next, you can change the colors. If you want to get the exact brand colors of your AI logo, you can easily do is to edit it in Canva. All you have to do is click on the image. At the very top, you will see the color swatches of the image. On top, you can click on any of the colors you want to change and then go to the settings and change the color. You can click on the plus icon and enter your exact brand color code, or you can use the sliders to adjust the tone. It works most times, but if you don't see these colors at the top, you can just go to Edit, then Adjust, and scroll down. You will also find the Colors panel over here. Next, make sure you always check for errors. No matter how good your AI logo looks, always check it. I always recommend that you put your logo in Canva and try to edit it. You can use the magic tool to clean any unwanted text or elements and adjust it as much as you can. The magic tool is your best friend if you're making logos with AI. You can erase text, elements, and any parts of your image that don't work. So if there is any error at all in your logo, the magic eraser is the tool you want to use. You can just select whatever you want to remove from the image and it will give you a clean result. Another really important tip is to check for copyright and trademarks. AI tools don't have guardrails for copyright and trademark materials. So if you are planning to make logos with AI, it is very important that you check for the trademark of words and images that it generates. Just go to your country's copyright website and check if there is any copyright or patent for the symbols or the text you've added to your logo. Sometimes it might seem very common, but it might already be trademarked by another company. So make sure you check that before you use it as your brand logo. And you don't want to risk legal issues later. And finally, the most important tip of all, make sure you do a reverse image search. All you have to do is go to Google Images. Click on the image icon, upload your photo, or drag your logo there. Once uploaded, it will automatically show you similar logos and images that look like your logo. This is a very important step because, as you can see here, there are other very popular logos that look like mine. You don't want to create a logo for your company or your brand that is a copy or a knockoff of some other brand. I'll upload another logo and show you the difference. And here's the result. As you can see, there is no other logo that looks exactly like it. So this one is good to go. Doing a reverse image search is always important because most AI tools we use are trained on publicly available images. So if you are creating a logo to represent your business, the most important thing you should do is reverse image search before you start using it officially. And that's it. These are the main things you need to keep in mind when making a logo with AI, whether you're using ChatGPT or any other tool. If you like videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thank you so much for watching.